I'm going to just draw a normal little construction circle. I'm going to give it a, let's say, a radius of 50, and I'm going to draw a normal 2D circle on that quadrant, and I'm going to give it a radius of 10. Right, so this is what we've got now. Can you see the construction circle there? Okay. Right, and then I'm going to use the revolve tool that we looked at earlier as well. Revolve, and I'm going to take that and I'm going to revolve it around the middle of that circle, and there we've got a what do you call it, a donut or something like that. Okay, if I go and I just check something first, let's switch on. Okay, if I go and I take that circle, I can go and change the circle, the radius of the circle, let's say to 20, and it will update the whole donut with it. Okay, I want to do that now. I want to select this, go into its properties, and I'm going to go to revolution shape. Now you'll see here you've got an angular rotation of 360. If I were to change that to, let's say, 270 for instance, it will just not rotate the whole way around. Okay, or revolve the whole way around. Change this back to 360. Right, and then do you see there's a number, spiral pitch? I'm going to put in a spiral pitch of 50, and then you can enter a number of coils. I'm going to put in 10 coils. I put 1 coil. There we go, that's better. Alright, so there we've done a coil spring. Right, now I am going to render this quickly, well, not quickly. For some reason, when you do this very specific property change, it takes quite some time to render. Alright, so I'll just talk a bit of nonsense while we're waiting for it to render.
Now, the first thing is to go along to that little tool which you just created. We can make a shell solid. In the distilling business, we give you a oil pipe. If you remove the front and the back bottom,
yeah,
you can preserve it.
Right, I just want to say, when you guys walked in, I didn't think there was coffee, but there is coffee now, so please. Eh? Yeah, no, there is coffee now. You can all, if you want coffee, maybe we'll take a little break in a few minutes, and then we can all have a coffee. And
yeah, this kind of thing is, if you've got an i7 with 32 gigs of RAM, it will take about 3 to 4 minutes. A little bit faster,
but it's funny, it's really just this one object, or this one property change that takes forever. Anyway, there you can see what we've done. Right, now we can change it. Now I'm just going to change it back.
Just remember one thing, you don't have to use a circle.
Yeah, you can use any profile.
The thing is, so you get a flat string. Or any other shape.
Any shape, yes. Right, so I'm just going to make that a spiral quickly. If you look at that. Revolve. This is in the revolve properties. Yes. Yeah, so there I've just made it a flat spiral. Right, or you can also go to properties and you can give it an angle.
That's one of these mosquito rings.
This off. Let's say a 30-degree angle. There we go. Right, so now it's tapered at an angle. Right, you've got another property in here. What we was just saying with the shell solid, if you take both sides off, you could do that. But on the specific property set, there's a hole built into it. So I can give it a hole, let's say, with 3 millimeter width on the walls on the side. So now, there. Now this whole thing is hollow.